In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a fortune with high-ticket affiliate programs. I'm going to reveal these secrets, and you can even see on the screen right here that I got an email notifying I was able to generate a $2,000 commission. And what I'm going to do inside this video is I'm literally going to first share with you the benefits of high-ticket affiliate programs. If you've been going out there and maybe you've been promoting products on ClickBank or JVZoo and you've been making maybe some decent sales, or maybe you're just completely brand new and you've never made any commissions, I'm going to share with you why it's in your best interest to promote high-ticket affiliate programs. I'm then going to share with you how to find the right high-ticket affiliate program to really run with. There's some different programs out there that pay you high-ticket commissions, but they're not all created equal. And I'm going to share with you criteria so you can really identify the right high-ticket affiliate program for you. I'm then going to share with you some strategies on how to promote those high-ticket affiliate products. So once you go out there and you find a high-ticket program, how do you actually start promoting it so you can make these big commissions very easily? And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you some bonus insider tips for success that I've personally used many years online, that my students have been using, so you can go out there and really see results. Now, be sure to stay to the very end of the video because you're even going to discover how to do this even if you don't have a following or are totally brand new. Okay, so stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Now, real quick, before I dive in, also be sure to get my free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course and also find out how to partner with me inside my #1 instant paying affiliate program at the link below. But without further ado, I first want to talk about why high-ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to make money. #1 is higher commissions. So if you go out there and you find a product on, let's say, ClickBank, and you make a referral, typically you make only $50 or maybe $100 per referral. But with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can promote, and one commission can pay you up to $2,000. Okay, so you don't need a lot of sales to really start to hit your goals. Just like I see right here, fewer sales needed to reach your financial goals. So if you have a goal of $10,000 a month, you only need 5 sales or referrals per month to hit that goal if you're making $2,000 commissions. Now, another benefit of high-ticket affiliate marketing is more reliable income. So again, you need a lot less sales to really have enough money to live. If you are going out there and you're making, a few low ticket sales, you may make $50, maybe $100, but you're not really able to make enough money to live, right? But with high ticket affiliate marketing, just doing the same work, just promoting a product that you don't have to create online, you're still able to generate income, but you're making way more. And last but not least, better customer service and support. So when you recommend products that are lower ticket and someone has a problem, maybe one of your customers that you referred, chances are they may not get the help they need because it's not as valuable of a product. But when a company is investing, good money into promoting their products, good money into these higher priced products, they're gonna take care of your customers and your referrals a lot better typically. So you're gonna have a lot less refunds, a lot less problems down the line. Next, I want to share with you how you can find the right high-ticket affiliate program to promote, because like I said, there's a lot of them out there and they're not all created equal. #1 is you want to research and compare different programs. So you don't just want to blindly choose an affiliate program and just start promoting it because it may not be best for you. You want to compare different ones, okay? There's a lot of sites you can go. There's sites like ClickBank, like JVZoo. Now, these are not my favorite sites, but these are options and you can kind of see which ones are better for you. Now, you want to look for programs that align with your interests and your expertise. So there's a lot of different programs out there in a lot of different niches, okay? You can go into the health and fitness niche. You can go into the dating niche. What I recommend you do is you look for one that is in your interest. So are you interested in making money online? Well, then find an affiliate program that teaches people how to make money online. Are you interested in losing weight? Well, you can find high-ticket programs that help people lose weight, okay? Also, you can think about your expertise. What are you naturally good at? Are you naturally someone that's good at trading Forex? Well, maybe you can find a high-ticket program to promote that teaches people Forex, okay? So you want to think about this when you're finding the right program, because you don't want to just choose a random program and put all your eggs into that basket. You also want to consider the reputation and track record of that program and the company behind it. So a lot of these high ticket affiliate programs, they're here today, gone tomorrow. You get started, you start to promote, and then a couple months later it goes under and it's gone, and then all your marketing was for nothing. So you want to look at the reputation, try to find out the company owner, look at the if it's registered with the Better Business Bureau, you want to find out all this information when you make a decision. So again, you're not being left astray. You're not being, disappointed if the company doesn't survive. Okay. So these are all key things that I personally look for that's allowed me to make multiple six figures online. Now, how to promote high ticket products. So once you understand why you should be promoting high ticket products, you can make a lot more money with a lot less referrals. And you understand how to kind of find the right program. How do you promote those products now? Well, number one, you want to identify your target audience. Okay, a lot of people think if I just go out there and I spam my link on social media and I just, hit it over the head, my friends and family, that I'm going to make tons of money. And this isn't the case. Okay, you want to identify your target audience. Who specifically would be best to buy your product? So one way you can do this is you can reverse engineer. You can start to think, okay, who would my ideal person be? Let's say you're promoting a make money online product that is $2,000 for someone to actually partner and invest with you, right? Well, people that, are not interested in making money online obviously would not be in your target audience, right? So you want to think, who would this person be? Understand the riches are in the niches, okay? You want to go more specific, not general. So rather than, let's say you're promoting a affiliate program that teaches people affiliate marketing, rather than just going after tons of people that want to make money, which is virtually everyone, you want to target affiliate marketers, right? You want to be more specific. If it's a keto diet product, you don't want to target just people that are, interested in maybe, losing weight. You want to target people that are ideally actively looking for solutions when it comes to keto. So the more specific, the better. Now, what we want to do is we want to create content that appeals to that audience and showcases the benefits of the product. So we want to basically create content that is solving problems that our target market is looking for. So again, if we go back to the keto example, you can create a form of content that is giving solutions when it comes to keto. So you could do, top 5 keto recipes, and you could create that in a blog post, and that's going to attract people interested in the keto diet. And when you do that, you can then segue, you can link your product to that solution, okay? And you can give a call to action. Now, I recommend you utilize different marketing channels, different marketing platforms to get the word out, to post this content. Now, you can use social media. You can use email marketing, okay? If you have an email list of some leads, you can send an email to those people and you can promote a product. And paid advertising, okay? There's different forms of advertising like Google ads, YouTube ads that you can start to utilize in order to promote these high ticket products. Now, I wanted to share with you an example. So this is my Facebook profile, and a lot of people think they need to spend money on Facebook to make money. Well, you don't really need to. In fact, I've made multiple high ticket sales just from my Facebook profile. So I'm promoting something in the make money online, the affiliate marketing niche. So I post content that helps people solve their problems, feel inspired, get motivated. So you can see right here, okay, I said today's the day you stop with the I can't, because if you can conceive the dream, you can and will achieve the dream. So notice right here, I'm actually motivating people that have a dream, that want to make money, things like that. And I've inspired these people, okay? So this is helping them. You can see right here, if I go down, okay, you will get all you want in life if you help other people get what they want. So I posted that quote, which I know people that are wanting to make money, that are entrepreneur minded, are gonna see that. I'm helping solve their problems by providing inspiration and value. And then ultimately, I will then post something like this, which is basically leading to a product, okay? So I'm basically telling people to comment, free course, and when they do, they're getting led to a product. Now, I want to share with you some key tips for success. Okay, so again, when you go out there, it doesn't matter if you're promoting on Facebook, if you're promoting on Twitter, every place is going to work. The key is focusing on one that you enjoy, where you can consistently solve your target market's problems by posting content in the form of value, in the form of tips, and then ultimately leading to your product, giving calls to action. Hey, check out this link for more. Hey, go to this training for more. So you want to be doing that on a consistent basis. The first key tip for success before I get going is I highly recommend you set realistic financial goals and you track your progress. So don't just go out of the gate saying, hey, I want to become a millionaire if you haven't even made your first 6 figures. Baby step your goal, okay? So set a realistic financial goal. Say, hey, I want to make $5,000 in 60 days, okay? Or in 30 days. And then go ahead and focus on that goal. And then once you hit that, now you'll be able to believe it more. It will make a lot more sense to say, okay, this is great. Now I'm going to do the next one. Now I'm going to do the next one, and track your progress, right? Focus on what data you're getting. Is it working? What type of posts are doing better? And you can improve. Continuously learn and improve your marketing strategy. So like I just touched on, if you're focusing, let's say, on Facebook marketing, free Facebook marketing, then start to make posts, start to test different things. In the beginning, you want to kind of throw a lot of stuff on the wall and see what sticks. See what type of posts are working. See what type of, what time of the day is getting the most engagement. And you want to kind of come up with your own marketing strategy and start to follow that, because that's going to allow you to really stop doing what's working and focusing on only doing what is working. You want to test different approaches and again, see what works best for you. Everyone's different. Now you can take the principles, posting value, helping people, but you want to test different ways, test different strategies, test different, posts in the morning, then one day posts at night, and then see which post got the most likes, so you can constantly be improving. And also you want to stay organized and manage your time effectively. So a lot of people, they get overwhelmed, they get kind of confused with the different steps you can take. Just eliminate all the confusion. Focus on the very first step, okay? The very first step, pick a niche. Very first step, focus on that. Do that, then pick, an affiliate program to promote. Then pick a marketing strategy. So you want to do everything step by step. And again, you want to manage your time effectively. I recommend you set aside the same time each day where you can show up in your business, okay? Whether it's in the morning before your kids wake up, maybe it's on a lunch break. You have 30 minutes every day where you can focus on your business. It doesn't take a lot of time, but you want to focus on your time that you invest effectively so you can really get the returns that you truly want. So I really hope you enjoyed learning how to crush it with high ticket affiliate marketing. If this helped you and you got value, be sure to like. Also comment below what you learned, what tips stood out to you the best, and also subscribe for more training just like this. Last but not least, go down below, get my free 4-day crash course for affiliate marketing. It's going to go way more in depth. And also you'll have the chance to personally partner with me in my #1 instant paying affiliate program that I'm currently using. So go ahead, do that, my friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.